How to reinstall deleted iPhone applications. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone from the home screen. At the top right, tap on your profile picture to open the account view. On the account page, tap on Apps. On this screen, go to the All tab to view every app you have obtained with this Apple ID in a clear, chronological list. A search field appears at the top so you can quickly find a specific app in your history without scrolling excessively. Each entry lists the app icon and name, and shows a cloud download symbol if it is not currently installed on this device. Now, go to the Not on this iPhone tab as shown. Over here, you can view all the apps that you recently deleted from your phone. Scroll through the list to review older downloads and confirm previous installations across your account. From the list, tap on the download icon beside the apps that you want to get back. Following these steps, you can easily reinstall deleted iPhone applications.